Window installation in Layton, Utah, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Layton window installation services offer a wide range of options, including custom windows, energy-efficient windows, and vinyl windows. With expert Picture Windows Layton contractors, you can ensure a seamless installation process that meets your specific needs. Custom window solutions in Layton provide homeowners with the flexibility to choose window styles that complement their home's architecture. Whether you're interested in double-hung windows, picture windows, or bay windows, Layton's window experts can design and install the perfect windows for your home. Custom windows not only enhance curb appeal, but also improve energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows in Layton are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and increase comfort. These picture windows Layton are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Layton's window contractors offer a variety of energy-efficient window options, including double-hung windows and vinyl windows to suit any home. Window replacement in Layton, Utah is an excellent way to upgrade your home's appearance and functionality. Whether you're replacing old, drafty windows or simply want to update your home's look, Layton window replacement services provide a range of options. From vinyl windows to custom window solutions, Layton's window experts can help you choose the best replacement windows for your home. Vinyl windows in Layton are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, making them an excellent long-term investment for any home. Layton's window contractors offer a variety of vinyl window styles, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. Double-hung windows in Layton offer a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to clean and provide excellent ventilation, making them a popular choice for residential windows in Layton. With a range of styles and finishes available, Layton's window experts can help you find the perfect double-hung windows for your home. Picture Windows Layton, Utah provide unobstructed views and allow natural light to flood your home. These windows are ideal for showcasing scenic views and creating a bright, open atmosphere. Layton window installation services offer a variety of picture window options to suit any home design. Bay windows in Layton, Utah add architectural interest and increase natural light in your home. These windows extend outward, creating additional space and offering panoramic views. Layton's window contractors can design and install bay windows that enhance your home's beauty and functionality. Window replacement services in Layton are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Whether you need window glass replacement or frame replacement, Layton's window experts can provide the necessary services to keep your windows in top condition. Regular window maintenance in Layton ensures your windows remain energy efficient and visually appealing.